Did you start off already being comfortable with that, or how was your growth path there? Because if I think about myself, I really had to learn how to do that and what works with certain people, and when do I speak my opinion, when do I give advice, and when do I just listen, right? That's a learning journey. Was that the same for you?
Very much. It was like getting on a bike for the first time.
Yeah,
And that
that's a good one.
involves falling down.
Yeah,
And then you say, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done that, or there's a better way. Let me redo it.
yeah.
And because at that point of time, I just jumped in
Mm.
and I just built teams. So because the motivation, the vision was strong, that it attracted people.
Yeah.
And even though I was not skilled enough in that kind of leadership, it kind of forced me to learn as well as practice. And then as anybody who jumps on a bike for the first time, there are nervous moments, there are moments you fall down.
Yeah.
But if you're on a bike, you have to look forward.
Mm.
But if you look at the ground, that will make you fall down. So there was no time to look backwards, and
Yeah.
I continuously moved forward. So there were absolutely moments of uncertainty, anxiety.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I was learning a lot. I was growing a lot, and I had the support of a coach once again.
Yeah.
So for the last 12 years, I think 5 or 6 years, I have had a coach personally for myself.
Yeah.
And that has been a massive game changer for me, because that gives me that confidence to jump into something unknown, knowing that if I struggle, then I have somebody to go to. I have somebody to share my challenges, my deepest inner fears, which I cannot really share with anybody.
Yeah.
And that gives a huge boost. That calms your nerves down, first of all, but also allows you to dream bigger, allows you to challenge others better than that you would do without a coach.
Yeah. Yeah. I love hearing that.